We're getting ready to stare at my old school. I'm gonna roll down my window. I'm gonna roll down my window. Okay, hopefully the phone won't die. Phone's like, you just put me through it. You just put me through it, woman. Alright, old school, where are you at? We're going old school. We're going elementary school. Am I on the wrong side? I think I'm on the wrong side. Damn dyslexia. Damn dyslexia. It's alright. The buildings are still beautiful. Look at this old growth. This is the historic district, ladies and gentlemen. The historic district. As we creep on along. Oh, the beautiful history. Oh, the beautiful old growth trees. Isn't it pretty? Did not see that one coming. And you say the reason you didn't see it coming is because you're multitasking, D. That's why. I agree with you. I shouldn't be multitasking even though I'm going 25. With no one behind me. I feel like I'm all isolated on this adventure here. And I feel like the adventure is almost over. But I had a very fun time. I did. Did I accomplish everything I wanted to accomplish? Basically. Like, there was some plans that I wanted to do that didn't get done. And it's not because of my lack of time. It was because of circumstances, situations, locations, such as Little Bits all the way near Lake Norman, for example. How am I supposed to go get Little Bit's not in town. A Little Bit's like 45, something like that minutes away. She's not even in Charlotte. It might even take me more than 45 minutes. It might take me an hour and 30 minutes. Oh, so here I am. Where I should be. Staying basically put and being a good girl. Oh, I love those places, by the way. I just love those places. Never lived there, but I know people who have. I've always been curious as to how it really looks on the inside, sort of. Sort of curious, not real curious, just sort of curious. Oh, just okay. Alright, cool. I know where I'm going now, yay. And you say, dude, was you just wandering around aimlessly, going nowhere? No, I'm going to places. I'm trying to visit people, but if people can't see me, it's okay. I have plans of going to and here, Parkway House. See, this used to be Ted's Family Restaurant. Let me turn slowly like I can't turn. Let me act like an old person. This is the restaurant. I really enjoy working at that restaurant because it felt like family. It was technically my first long-term service as a waitress, and I worked there many years. and I enjoyed it. And I was in high school. Yeah, I was still in high school. I had my own transportation.